Hey guys, I am participant of Goldfinch Fly Academy and today I want to tell you about loan agreement. So, I have a plan of this presentation and this is the producer for concluding the contract, change of contract and termination of the contract. So, let's go. A loan agreement is a civil law document that defines the mutual legal rights and obligations and economic responsibility of the bank and the client, borrower, in connection with the loan transaction. Under the loan agreement, the bank or other financial institute lender undertakes to provide funds loan to the borrower in the amount and on the terms established by the agreement and the borrower undertakes to repay the loan and pay interest. The procedure for concluding the contract. Issues related to bank lending are resolved by the borrower and the bank by concluding a loan agreement. The loan agreement is concluded in writing and cannot be changed unilaterally without the consent of the parties. A loan agreement entered into in violation of a written form is invalid. At the request of one of the parties, the loan agreement may be notarized. But the specific content of the loan agreement and the list of all conditions of the loan transaction are determined by agreement of the parties. In each case, the content of the loans agreement is adapted to the characteristic of the borrower, taking into account the specifics of its financial and economic activities. Change to the loan agreement. If it necessary to make change to the bank's loans agreement, it is necessary to send the borrower a proposal to change the terms of the loan agreement or receive such an offer from the borrower. The borrower considers the proposal and responds within the period stipulated by the proposal of the initiator. Changes and additions to the terms of the loan agreement are executed in the same manner in which the agreement itself is executed in writing by a separate agreement between the parties. Refusal to grant or receive a loan. The borrower has the right to refuse to receive the loan in part or in full, notifying the lender before the deadline set by contract, unless otherwise provided by contract or law. Termination of loan agreement. The contract may be amended or terminated by a court decision at the request of one of the parties in the event of a material breach of contract by the other party and in other cases established by contract or law. Such a breach by a party to a contract is significant when as a result of the damage caused by it. The other party is largely deprived of what it expected when concluding the contract. Non-performance or performance of an obligation in a violation of the conditions specified in its content, improper performance is a violation of the obligation. In case of breach of the obligation, there are legal consequences established by the contract or the law, in particular termination of the contract. The bank monitors the borrower's compliance with the terms of the loan agreement. The indeed use of the loan is timely and full repayment. At the same time, the bank maintains business and contacts with the borrower throughout the term of the loan agreement. Conducts inspections of the states or preservation of the mortgage property in case of revealing the facts of misuse of the loan. The bank has the right to terminate the loan agreement, which is the basis for recovery of all funds within the obligation of the borrower under the loan agreement in the manner prescribable by the applicable law. And it's sent. Thank you for watching. It was made it for Goldfinch Flight Academy for first model. Thank you. See you.